Alright guys, so I just thought I would get a few clips from my Thailand trip. A bit of construction involved, so here we are kicking off in Bangkok. I just captured these guys. They were just concreting a step. And that's a woman there, a woman labourer, nice one. Getting stuck in, filling some buckets. 2 more buckets to be filled. They're just pouring in, it looks like a wet mix, but don't forget it is Thailand, it's about 30 degrees. So probably dry it in a crack, won't it? Easy, makes it look easy. There's a welder underneath the shaded area there, just welding all that steel framework together. That's the ramp. And I thought this was a bit lazy, guy carrying that bag of cement on a trolley. Maybe because of health and safety, I don't know, but he's a bit of a renderer, doing a rendering job, or plasterer doing a rendering job, so to say. What do you reckon? Looks like a plastic float he's got as well, I think. And the labourer's just mixing the stuff. But it goes off so quick. It's the humidity in Thailand, it's like really dense humidity. All them concrete steps all dry now. That plaster's just putting that render coat on. 30 degrees it is, but it dries in a flash, that concrete. Some random people walking past, watching me, an Englishman, filming a Thai guy doing some rendering. I bet they thought I'd lost the plot. You were there with that shovel hole thing, slinging with bob, I don't know what you'd call it. Pretty cool thing for mixing though. That was the building that they were working on. Just finishing his last bit there. I'm not sure if he put 2 coats on or not, and I was waiting for him to put some meshing of some sort, but I don't think he did. No. Very ground in there. Everyone in comments, no mask, no mask, no boots. Go on, love. Get him getting stuck in there, aren't you? Anyways, here's your other bucket. There's that steel frame ramp again. There's a random pier I spotted with some slim bricks. Some concrete and steel. So that's what all it is in construction in Dubai and Thailand, just concrete and steel framework. Thought this was funny what I captured. Thai guy on a tuk-tuk getting done by a copper, saying, look, I'm the boss. You, listen you lad, you're nothing, okay? Behave, go over there, alright? I'm the boss, me, get it? Okay, cop gonna cap. And he was on his way. In fact, he got a customer straight away. There's the BTS SkyTrain, which is also concrete structure and steel. Amazing structure it is, really. And it's a really fast way of getting around downtown, or the main area of Bangkok. Off to Chiang Mai, some more footage. Nice bit of carpentry there. This was an area called Nim in which I went to, and there's some nice brickwork. Yeah, nice big arch. Some detail in that. It was just flushed off as well. I thought it would look way better if it was finished, but it's just flushed off. Maybe it's the mortar. It looked a bit more greenish, I'll say. The mortar, but still looks good. Those slim bricks. There's some lads doing a bit of a repair job, mixing some mortar. This area, this like shopping area, is called One Nimin. I think it was called that, yeah. Yeah, it's called One, and it was a really nice place. There's some Flemish bond. There's some neat brick I spotted. And off to Taipei Gate, which is dead historic in Chiang Mai. Look at these old bricks. So many. A few materials they were using. They're always repairing it because it's always falling down, you see. Here they are, the workers. They probably do it daily. And there's some of the bricks. Really wide and then dead slim. It's like a slip in it, a brick slip. Here's some workers cleaning the bricks. I think we've got some acid wired up there, or some sort of acid. Just walking around. There's loads of beautiful places, beautiful temples. This area they were building a temple actually. It was really interesting. They put two boards up either side and they work the line to the shape as they're going up. So it just, and then all you do is you just run it into the line and it'll form that shape. Some cool brick pieces. Here's some machinery, I've not a clue what it does. There's a guy with a grinder, random. There's some of the steel materials they've used. I don't know what that is at all. Can anyone advise? It's just a random digger breaking some stuff. There's back at One Nimin. That was a beautiful, it was like tapered towards the top, that tower. Beautiful brickwork. There it is, and there's the old Taipei Gate again. There's some rendering, bit of a circular rendering job I saw, so that was interesting. That was just a bit of a brick feature, if you will. Here's, I went up to the mountains to a temple. I'm not sure what it's called, but that was where that was from. Well, there you go, guys. That's a little bit of an insight into how construction is done in Thailand with running commentary. Something a little bit different in it. I thought I'd post this today. So hope you're having a nice Saturday, guys. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.